Good morning. Welcome, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It is me, the Wingman, and I'm here to deliver you that delicious sauce. Everybody all know that I love chicken, I love tacos, I love steak, but most importantly, I love delivering to you guys that fire content. And what I have for you guys today is the same content, delicious content that I've been delivering the past several weeks. I started a new series on how to invest for retirement with stocks and etc. But today we're going to talk about crypto, how to invest for your retirement by adding cryptocurrency into your portfolio. But before we start, make sure you guys stop what you're doing, like and subscribe to my channel. I've been delivering this delicious, wonderful content for you guys to make money for right now and also for the future for you and your family. So hey, how about you support your boy? Guess what? I got my rose colored shirt on just for you guys, looking good, smelling good. Hey, support your boy. Like my channel. I'm delivering that fire content. So as we all know, I talk about how to, how to deal with personal finances, money management, financial planning for your family or for yourself for either for retirement through dividend investing, ETF investing, etc., etc. But we're going to pivot today a little bit. So for all individuals who are interested into stock trading, trading stocks, stock trading, and you are interested into like forex trading, here, look at my screen. OANDA, OANDA is the best platform to use for forex stock trading. So you can trade currencies, and if you want to learn how to stock trade, I will recommend go on Fiverr. And basically you can buy a course on Fiverr, and basically you don't even really need a professional to help you learn how to stock trade. You can go buy a course, probably like $50 on Fiverr, and then you could join OANDA smart trading platform, and you can basically trade currency. So right here, world class trade executions, 70 plus currency pairs. It's a powerful trading platforms. Yeah, you don't really need a professional dumping $1,000. You can just buy a course on Fiverr, and you can go on OANDA and do the trading yourself. So just want to give you guys just a different option outside of just dividend investing and just investing, for the long term, like I am. I'm a long term dividend and long term investor. But if you are into forex trading and stock trading, then right here, OANDA. Now, crypto, cryptocurrency. The purpose of today's video is share how to invest into crypto for your retirement, and a couple of key nuggets and statistics up to why you as an individual need to include cryptocurrency as a part of your wealth management and your financial planning for your retirement. So as you see right now, I am no cryptocurrency genius or whatnot. Everyone will know that I am very transparent in my investing journey. I invest into stocks, ETFs, uh, index investing for my Roth IRA and for my regular 401k. I have a dividend investing portfolio that I'm growing right now, and then also I invest into real estate REITs, and then also I invest into real estate, and then also I invest into crypto. So cryptocurrency, uh, right here, in regards to a cryptocurrency portfolio tracker, I use CoinStats, and on CoinStats, it has everything where you put in all your hard assets. So as you see right here, I have Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Solana, and then we're gonna even go down to other cryptos that if you're heavily in the cryptocurrency space, you know about like Phantom, and then I have like a lot of like gaming coins. I have like gaming coins like Empire, Phantom, uh, Red Fox, UFO Gaming. I have BitTorrent, and then XDC Network, Stellar, etc. And so typically for me, when I buy crypto on a monthly basis, like how when I buy stocks, I come in here and I will basically add just want to see just the transition of my wealth, and then I'm also able to, when it's time for me to report, if I sold some crypto, to keep in track in terms of for taxes basis for the IRS. I go right here and I'm able to see how much I bought, how much I sold. I'm also able to see when you click on to certain cryptos, the different cryptocurrencies prices outside of going to crypto.com and actual currency uh, websites to actually see the website. It has it all right here to really see everything for all of my cryptos. And so, but right now I'm really focused on buying Bitcoin. I said the Bitcoin because I'm going to segue into Bitcoin. So if you are a new investor, if you are not really aware of crypto or whatnot, the grandfather daddy crypto is Bitcoin. And even if you don't have XRP, Ethereum, uh, Luna, any of those cryptos in your particular crypto investing portfolio, Bitcoin should be in your portfolio. But why? So I'm not gonna go through all of this, but for the most part, I'm gonna go through just some few things that you should know about Bitcoin. So if you see right here, from 2011 all the way into 2022, you can be able to see the rate of return that Bitcoin has produced. And so from 2011, 1,473% return. Now, there has been some down years, like 2014 was down 58%. Right here, 2018 was down 73%. Last year, everything was down in 2022. Stocks, real estate, everything was down 2022. It was down 81%. Yikes, right? But then in 2017, it was up 1,331%. 2019, it was up 95%. 2020 was up 301%. That's ridiculous. And then right here, it has a chart of Bitcoin's monthly returns. We're not going to talk about that. But one thing I wanted to show you guys is that why you should allocate having adding Bitcoin into your financial planning is that right here. How much you'll have if you invested $1,000 in Bitcoin 10 years ago, 5 years ago, 3 years ago, 1 years ago. If you would invest into Bitcoin 10 years ago, you would have had, what is that? That's $8 million. 5 years ago, your $1,000 would have been a final value of 47,000, and that's 5 years. 47,000. $1,000 invested. That's it. 3 years ago, $12,000, and then 1 year ago, 1,500. So what can you look into invest to that's going to give you that rate of return like that, and the obstacles of high inflation, high CPI data, things is going up that besides that's going to grow super fast outside of maybe Tesla, right? Uh, and then lastly, and then right here it basically have Bitcoin versus gold. It pretty much Bitcoin has blown gold out of the water in terms of rate of return. Has blown real estate out of the water. Even this is the S&P 500. So Bitcoin versus S&P 500 on a year basis, starting from 2011 all the way down to 2021. As you see right here, 1,000 to 1,473 annual percent compared to 2% for S&P 500. Now we know S&P 500 is more balanced. But as you see right here, in 2018, when everything was down, Bitcoin was down 73%, and compared to the S&P 500, was down 4%. 4%. So you know, uh, the the things with crypto is that the highs are the highs, and the lows are the lows. And so bottom line is, while some investors may be skeptical about cryptocurrency, citing concerns over market volatility, you can't really you can't you can second guess because crypto is very volatile, very 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 risky, but at the same time you can't deny that crypto will give you hard high annual returns. Now I went over that crypto, with big Bitcoin, that the highs are the highs and the lows can't really hurt you. So right here, how much of crypto should be in your portfolio? So that's the main question. I've already sold you on the case that you know adding Bitcoin into your portfolio will help. But how much of crypto should be in your actual financial planning journey for retirement? So adding Bitcoin to your investment portfolio might positively impact your long term returns. It is all a matter of timing. But that's with anything though. When you invest into stocks, uh, every, real estate, everything's all about timing. So, but at the same time, time in the market beats time in the market. And so when you dollar cost average and you buy on a monthly basis, it eliminates the whole timing piece of trying to guess when the market is down, so when you put all your money in so that it can jump all the way up, right? And so, uh, according to the CFA Institute Research Foundation, uh, the impact of a Bitcoin on a diversified portfolio between 2014 and 2020. Over this period, a quarterly rebalance of 2.5 allocation to Bitcoin improved returns from a traditional portfolio by 24%. That's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. That's a massive impact from a tiny allocation. It's hardly surprising that Bitcoin appreciated by approximately 2,875% over that time period. That is crazy. But also keep in mind, crypto is very risky, and yes, you don't gamble with investing into stocks or invest into crypto. You nibble. You invest what you can afford to lose. You don't go like I'm gonna take this money, I'm gonna go over the weekend, and I'm gonna try to double it and get 30,000. No, you only invest. You plan, invest what you can have available to lose when you invest into cryptocurrency. So overall, before I beat this dead horse, so basically, how much of your financial planning portfolio should you have in cryptocurrency, right? So most experts suggest no more than 5% of your total overall portfolio. And what I mean by the total overall portfolio is that when you're planning for financial planning for retirement, you have stocks. It depends also your age. For me, since I'm 34, I'm 100% in stocks. Maybe if you're 55 years old, 50 years old, you may not be 100% in stocks. You may be 70% in stocks and 30% in bonds. So whatever your age, whatever your allocation that you may have uh, you may have real estate property in your investment portfolio. You may have REITs in your portfolio. So every person is different on their journey, as in their investment journey for retirement. Some people have a business. So but overall, cryptocurrency should only be 5% of your total portfolio of real estate properties, stocks, bonds, etc. Because how risky and how volatile cryptocurrency is. So 5%. And typically, just like stocks, there are thousands and hundreds of cryptos out there. But the grandfather and the crypto that has been steady amongst it all is Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a steady track record of delivering high and steady returns, and it's volatile, but it's not as volatile as a Solana or a any other those gaming cryptos like Sand and etc. Right. So now we're going to talk about so okay, cool. I sold you on getting crypto into your financial planning portfolio, planning for retirement. So now, where do you buy crypto? Where do you buy the Bitcoin? Where do you buy the XRP, the Ethereum? Where do you buy that, right? So you buy them on crypto exchanges. So here's a couple crypto exchanges that I wanted to put in you guys' forefront so that you guys just do your own research and figure out, just like with stocks. With stocks, you need to pick, what brokerage account you want to use. Do you want to use Fidelity? Do you want to use Charles Schwab? Do you want to use M1 Finance or E Trade, right? To buy stocks, right? So it's the same thing with buying cryptocurrency. Here's one cryptocurrency exchange for you to buy crypto on. One is called Phemex, Phemex, Phemex. So Phemex is the most efficient crypto trading and investment platform. It's really easy. It walks you through. When you scroll at the bottom, you can actually you see the crypto currency prices right in there for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, etc. It's just the same as any other platform. The only difference between a platform A and platform B is just basically the user functionality and user friendly of the platform. Honestly, how user friendly is the platform is depending on how well a platform will be like, right? And so right here, cryptocurrency trading made easy. Step one: create an account. You sign up. You put your your address, you put your email, create a password, boom, add your bank account for like the direct deposit the money, buy the crypto, start trading, and then once you start trading, once you have an amount, boom, you can go and have a crypto portfolio tracker. I use CoinStats, and then you just boom, and then when you're ready to trade and get a profit, then that's when you start trading and you sell the crypto, and then either you take the profit and you go buy a house, or or you just keep it, and then most importantly, hopefully you have a hard drive, a hard wallet where you are putting your crypto and taking off the exchange and put it into a hard wallet. We'll talk about it in another video of different crypto hard wallets that you can buy to take the crypto off the currency exchange so that hackers don't steal your crypto, which is your money. So that's this one. This crypto exchange is called Phemex. Another crypto exchange that you guys may want to write down and uh, take notice of and get to know the user functionality to see if you may like it. It's called Changenow Crypto Exchange. And Changenow Crypto Exchange has limitless Web 3.0 crypto exchange. You can buy, sell, and swap crypto on Changenow Crypto Exchange. And right here, out of a couple that I looked at, it has a 5-star rating from Trustpilot. It says we got reviewed by Benzinga for 2023. So I'm guessing the people that love to use Change Now crypto currency exchange, they like it. So I guess right here it shows that they're very reliable. They have had to you know little to none people breaking into their exchange to taking the people cryptos. And right here at the bottom it shows that Change Now cryptocurrency partners with Binance, Huobi, Simplex, OKEx, Exodus, Ledger, and Cake Wallet. So those are some reputable uh, partnerships, so that you know that they mean business and they're trustworthy. Especially when you put that you are partnered by Binance, then people get raise their eyebrows and like, okay, this crypto currency exchange has some validity, and you can put your money into and be reassured that nobody's going to come and or hackers going to take your money, right? So right here you have Change Now cryptocurrency exchange. And then lastly, if you're part of, if you are in America, you're not able to look into Mexc Global Currency Exchange. But hey, if you are individuals that are in communities of probably like New Zealand, Australia, Canada, UK, etc., that watches my content and whatnot, then Mexc Global Currency Exchange may be the right currency exchange. I mean, like the right cryptocurrency exchange for you. They basically promote that they have the lowest fees of any currency, any cryptocurrency exchange out there, and you're able to reap high profits while them charging you less fees. So I live in America, and so since this is like a China-based cryptocurrency exchange. By us being American, we're not able to log in and to try out this cryptocurrency exchange. But anybody that's outside of the U.S., hey, be my guest. Try it out. See, and then let me know if they live up to the bill. Let me know if MEXC Global live up to the billing of having the lowest fees while having you, make the highest profits for cryptocurrency. So, and then lastly, for me, uh, I use Strike. I use Strike on I use Strike on my cell phone, and as you see right here, so basically, as I have my face recognition finally recognize my face, I don't know. There you go. Like it don't recognize me. So basically, you could just on your cell phone you could download Strike, and then basically right here you put in your information, and then this is how I buy Bitcoin. And so you can use the cryptocurrency exchange to buy Bitcoin, buy XRP, Solana, Polygon, Ethereum. But for me, I mean, and that's on Strike here. You can only buy Bitcoin on Strike. But for me, I'm really only focusing on Bitcoin right now anyway because I have a portfolio of other cryptos. But I just want to give you guys just just a different taste and options. So especially if you're starting out trying to buy cryptocurrencies, and if this is all new to you. But for me, I use Strike to buy my Bitcoin. I tend to buy right now since I'm buying a lot of assets or hard assets in this down market. I tend to try to put in like at least $100 here and there in Bitcoin, and I when I make more money to increase my allocation. So I use Strike, and then once I buy the Bitcoin, I actually send the Bitcoin from Strike to my hard wallet, and I use for my hard wallet I use Ledger. And then lastly, we're gonna talk about now we say talk about why to add crypto into your financial planning portfolio, the positive effects of adding cryptocurrency into your investment portfolio to get those returns, especially in down markets, especially when the stock market's probably only inching out maybe 5%, 6% annual returns, right? So get that to juice up your portfolio outside of tech stocks and the NASDAQ. So I gave you the reasons why to invest in crypto and why put Bitcoin into your financial portfolio for retirement. Now let's talk about lastly the best crypto IRA companies for 2023 for retirement for buying crypto. And we're really going to go talk about two, and then that's it. The two companies for you to write down to do your research on is one, I Trust Capital. So I Trust Capital, which I would say the last 2 years, it was really only crypto IRA company that I was familiar with, and so I Trust Capital is the best crypto IRA overall. It has a minimum investment of $1,000, and it supports over 25 cryptos, and says and it's free from any monthly account fees from personal accounts, and then has a 1% trading charges. So basically, when you buying the crypto and putting the crypto into I Trust Capital, there's no fees occurred. But when if you wanted to sell some Bitcoin or sell some Ethereum, then they charge you 1% for the trading cost. So when they say trading, basic trading in crypto is when you're selling that particular asset to convert it to actual money. That's what trading it means compared to like trading currency or trading stocks. So uh, so just know that with I Trust Capital, allows an opening an IRA account with a minimum investment of $1,000. So that's all you need. And then lastly, second best cryptocurrency IRA is the Bitcoin IRA, and it's the best variety for crypto IRA. So it says IRAs both traditional and Roth, supported by 60 plus cryptocurrencies. It looks like there is. It says this account allows investors to make monthly contributions as low as $100 without a minimum investment requirement. And so, I Trust Capital, you have to have $1,000 to start. With the Bitcoin IRA, you don't have no minimum to start. So that's good, right? So lastly, I wanted to go over the websites of what it looks like. And so here's what the iTrustCapital looks like. You can click here for pricing. It says you can invest into crypto, gold, and silver using your IRA. So is the best in times like this to invest into hard assets like cryptocurrency, gold, and silver. And so, and then also usually when you invest into a lot of these hard assets, individuals or, or money managers, financial managers, or financial planning managers, they like to charge you a fee for holding silver, a small fee for holding the gold that you bought, right? And so, but right here, since it's like an IRA, you really don't have to worry about it, right? So as long as you have your $1,000, you can buy your hard assets and your precious metals, and then boom, put in your tax advantage IRAs, and then let it grow, and then down the line 10, 15, 30 years, let your money grow, like just like buying the asset of a house or stocks, and then you can sell it, and then just worry about taxes, and that's when you eventually hopefully you get a tax accountant, a tax planning retirement accountant, and then you know you guys can sit down and figure out ways to take money out of your IRAs and your stocks and your crypto. And then lastly, this is what the this is what the Bitcoin IRA looks like. And so right here you click here, you go directly to the Bitcoin IRA, and it looks like it's being partnered by eToro. So basically, shout out to eToro. And so, haha. So guess what? Overall, we're just going to, overall, the summary is that it's 2023. The wrap up is that uh, I'm not a financial advisor, but guess what? We all need some form of crypto in our portfolio. Not too much. The financial advisors and people who have the letters at the end of their name that actually our financial planners say that you know it's best to have at least 5% of your total overall portfolio. And we all know like the Gen Zs and the younger folks are investing way more than 5% because they're really heavily into the cryptos and the gaming tokens and the NFTs. And so individuals like me that are millennials and probably that's older than me, the Gen X's, hey, it's best to just do the research. And even if cryptos like Ethereum, Stellar, Avalanche, XTC may be super risky, then Bitcoin, you can't go wrong with Bitcoin. I've already went through the annual returns of Bitcoins. Yes, the lows is the lows, but the highs are the highs. And in these inflationary period, inflationary time, with high CPI data, the inflation running wild, we need assets that's going to grow way faster than inflation. And we currently right now we have Tesla. Tesla, has been down, but has had a history of growing super fast. And guess what? Bitcoin outcompetes Tesla. So even if you invest at least 2% or 4% of your total overall investment portfolio into Bitcoin, it helps and is beneficial. And trust, it will help in the long run. 5 to 10 years later, in 2025 or 2030, you set yourself apart when Bitcoin blows up into 500,000, 750,000. You have a piece and a chunk of that, and guess what? You could think back and say, you know what, Kadero Hudson, the wingman, he helped me. And guess what? Told you I was gonna deliver you guys that fire sauce. I was gonna deliver that fire content because I came on with my red roses, right? So hopefully you guys enjoy your day. Hopefully you enjoy this content. Like and subscribe to my content, and make sure that you watch all my other videos because I'm delivering that fire and teach you guys how to plan for retirement, financial planning for retirement for you and your family. I'm out. Peace. Oh, and make sure a video is going to pop up to the right side. Make sure you click onto that, and hopefully you enjoy the video and your day. All right, peace.